Welcome back to my channel. So today I bring you guys this video, which is me applying 99-cent store eyeshadow palettes on my eyes, eyeshadow on my eyes. And if you guys are interested in watching this, then keep on watching. I was very surprised with the eyeshadow, the way it came out. It looks super cute and it was easy to blend. Obviously the pigment is a little bit not as pigmented, not as dark, but it is really pretty for Dollar Tree, dollar store eyeshadow palettes. I did pick up 3 and I tried to use all 3, but I really couldn't convert all these 3 eyeshadow palettes into this look. But these are the eyeshadow palettes I picked up. So we do have 3 palettes. We got this purple one, which is really pretty. And it has the names of the eyeshadow palettes on the box, so that's really cute. Then we have this a more natural looking one. Again, it has the names on the palette. The last one, this one is super cute, and it's called Just Peachy, so it's a really pretty one. And then this one is Plum Berry. And then we have Essential Nudes, which was this one. They have L'Oreal, the contour and highlight. They have these cute colors. Then we have eyelash curlers, lip gloss. We have scissors, little brushes, bookie brushes, more beauty spongers, face razors, and then there is Milani eye pencils, the green ones. And they have it's a lip gloss. Oh no, it's a poreless primer for $1. Okay, I lied. They're not poreless primers. They are lip glosses. And then they have shimmery bronzers, eye pencils, these cute eyeshadow palettes I'm probably gonna purchase so I can show you guys a look. They have these lip masks here, more shimmery bronzers. They have these cute eyeshadows. They have eyelashes, and then they have this. That's all they have for makeup. They have these little matte liquid lip creams. I think that's all they have for makeup. And they also have these and a little kit of makeup. Go ahead and create a look, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. But before we go ahead and go into the video, I do want to let you guys know I am going to be doing a giveaway in this video. So if you guys are interested in watching, then keep on watching and don't skip, don't miss out, don't click out, keep on watching. Alright guys, so you guys saw how I applied my eyeshadows and how I did it. I really enjoyed these 3 little palettes. So I'm coming on here with a giveaway for you guys. So for the giveaway, you guys can win these 3 palettes right here. And also this a makeup brush set I got. So we have these 3 palettes and a makeup brush set. So if you guys are excited to enter, all you guys have to do is be subscribed, comment down below what eyeshadow palette was your favorite of these 3, and also be subscribed, like this video, and comment down below. If you guys do want to go ahead and get an extra entry, you guys can go ahead and follow me on my Instagram, which will be in the description box down below. I also want to let you guys know, thank you so much for watching this video. It means a lot to me. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. I also want to let you guys know I will be announcing the giveaway winner on my next video, so don't miss out. Turn on your post notifications so you guys can obviously go ahead and be notified every time I upload a video. If I am all over the place, it is because it's in the afternoon already and I'm super tired, but I will be leaving the rules in the description box down below. That's basically it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one.